Siding Installation Texarkana professionals are dedicated to providing top-notch services for all your siding needs. Whether you're looking for vinyl siding installation or fiber cement siding, Texarkana, our team of experts is here to help. We offer comprehensive siding solutions, Texarkana, ensuring your home is both beautiful and protected. Texarkana Siding Installation. Texarkana specialists are known for their expertise in siding replacement, Texarkana, and siding repair services. Our local siding experts are committed to delivering high-quality results, making us the best siding installation Texarkana TX has to offer. With our siding installation Texarkana TX reviews, you can trust that you're in good hands. Professional siding installation Texarkana is just a call away. Our siding installation near Texarkana TX services are designed to meet the needs of homeowners throughout the region. With our top-rated siding contractors Texarkana, you can expect exceptional service and results. Siding installation Texarkana TX services include a thorough siding inspection Texarkana to assess your home's needs. Our siding installation Texarkana TX process is designed to be efficient and effective, ensuring minimal disruption to your daily life. With our siding installation Texarkana TX warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Our siding installation Texarkana TX contractors are skilled in handling a variety of siding materials Texarkana. From traditional options to modern innovations, we have the perfect solution for your home. Our siding installation Texarkana TX design services will help you choose the right style and color to enhance your home's curb appeal. Siding installation Texarkana TX experts are here to guide you through every step of your siding project Texarkana. From initial siding consultation Texarkana to final installation, we ensure a seamless experience. Our siding installation Texarkana TX inspection guarantees that every detail is perfect before we consider the job complete. For those seeking a siding upgrade Texarkana, our siding installation Texarkana TX solutions offer a range of options to suit your style and budget. Our siding installation Texarkana TX experts are ready to transform your home with the latest in siding technology and design.